Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever been stuck because you remember your Kali Linux password but completely forgot your username? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. In this quick video, I'll show you an easy way to find your username and get back into your system. Let's get started. First, restart your system. When the grub menu appears, highlight your boot option and press E to edit. Find the line that starts with Linux. Change row to RW, and add this at the end init equals slash bin slash bash. Then press Ctrl plus X or F10 to boot into the root shell. In the root shell, type find home. This command searches the home directory and displays all files and folders. Look for paths like slash home slash your username dash dash that's your username. Now that you have your username, reboot the system, log in with your username and password, and you're good to go. That's how you quickly find your forgotten username in Kali Linux. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.